everyone, I'm Andrea Kay, the Managing Director of Silicon Valley Robotics, and welcome to our new YouTube channel. We do a lot of live events normally, but in light of the global pandemic, we're shifting everything online for you. So what is Silicon Valley Robotics? Well, Silicon Valley region is home to about 50 different robotics research labs and 50% of the venture investment into robotics startups. So we have some of the most innovative companies in the world here. And we're going to feature videos from them. I'm going to do some interviews, we're going to do some tours, and we're going to showcase the latest innovations in robotics here in all sorts of fields. We also founded the Women in Robotics organization, and while you might still be able to have local chapter meetings, we have an online community. And in the online community, we have events like Ask Me Anythings on a weekly basis, and we've got a book club too. So if you want to join the Women in Robotics community, go to womeninrobotics.org. Just like Silicon Valley Robotics is svrobo.org. And I'm located here. Our office is in Circuit Launch, and we're a co-working space for hardware. So I'm surrounded by startups that are building robots or other sorts of hardware. It could be biotech, augmented reality, virtual reality, or plain old AI. But we have a great environment here and lots of robots. And we meet robots that you might never have heard of before, like Yatu, which is beauty products through robotics, or the visitors that come here, even in the current climate, like Liku from Japan, or Roboy from Germany, or Animal from Switzerland. So we can get videos to share with you about every sort of robot under the sun. And I'm looking forward to doing more interviews, more videos, more podcasts, more of everything online.